So tarmac, this is your good side. This is the good Jiminy Cricket talking to you. Don't do anything silly, okay? Okay. Whoa! What the f? That's it, out of the way. Well, hello YouTube. Welcome to today's video. As you can see, I'm back on the bike. Got the new slave cylinder fitted last night. Got it all bled up nicely. Using a bicycle kit. I found like on Amazon a bicycle disc brake bleeding kit, which was super cheap from Amazon, and yeah, it worked like a treat. So it's all bled up. I bled the actual slave cylinder itself by just leaving the bolts loose, pouring a bit of oil in and just sort of pumping it backwards and forwards on the bolts. So that went pretty smoothly, but I kind of thought this might be the case, but can you see that how much play there is in the master cylinder? It was like that before, and I always just figured that it just needed bleeding, and I'd always like kept putting it off. But now it is fully bled. There's no bubbles coming out anywhere, but yet it is still spongy. So I think the master cylinder is in need of a rebuild, a bit of a refresh. So I shall order a seal kit for the master cylinder and get on with that. But today I'm just heading over to my mate Andy's house to lend him my torque wrench, because he's got a strange vibration coming out the front of his R1. So we're going to go and torque up a load of stuff, make sure there's nothing over tight or loose, and then we're going to head over to a pretty cool bike shop called Nirinkan. So in Japanese, Nirin means two wheels. So there's the word for bike. There's so many words for bike. You can say biker, then they say autobai, then Nirinsha. So there's all these different words that basically mean bike or motorcycle. So we're heading over to that shop, which is supposedly is pretty cool. Andy is in the market for some wet weather gear. I wonder why. Probably because the weather sucks balls at the minute. That we've had a quick break in the weather. Like an hour ago it was pissing down, and I'm pretty sure in another hour it'll be pissing down again. So we want to move quickly, get going before we get soaked. So yeah, I'll take the camera with me into the bike shop and show you what a Japanese bike shop looks like. Let's get going. Nirinkan, autobai something, don't know what it says. Oh, where's the bikes?
An echo, trying to see what they see. Keep me going, keep me going, keep me going. All I hear is an echo, going, keep me going, keep me going, keep me going, going. All I hear is an echo, daydream.
these are sex toys.
Yeah.
Are they?
This is the sex toy area.
So that old man, his job is stacking shelves with sex toys.
You have to clean the demo version.
Gross. What the fuck? A nice slow wheel spin there. Alright guys, so we're going to end the video here. That was Ni Rinkan. So it's a chain store, quite a few of them in this city. Not the best shop out there, but pretty damn good. You can almost get everything you need there. Even if it's not in stock, you can order stuff. So it's good for getting maintenance stuff like you know, getting spark plugs, oil filters, oil. Sometimes specialist tools that regular tool shops or home centers don't sell. So yeah, overall it's a good shop, but not the best. But as you can see from the price range in helmets, they sell $50 helmets up to $2,000 plus helmets. Full sets of racing leathers, you know, right down to like a $5 rain suit. So it's pretty much like a one-stop shop. You can get almost anything you want there. So I hope you enjoyed it. There's some weird stuff in there. I don't know if you noticed that silicon head helmet liner thing. That was weird. I don't know what the point of that is. Seems like it's like a massage thing to put in your helmet or create space between your helmet and the top of the lid. I don't know what the fuck that's for, but some interesting things anyway. And as you can see, I didn't manage to avoid the rain. It's passed over again, I think. But the weather says we've got army, which is like heavy as rain. Is like the shum 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 die. It means die, like big. So yeah, we got big rain coming soon. So I'm gonna get my ass home and get into my nice warm house before I get soaked. So alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to smash the fuck out of that like button. And of course, please do subscribe. I'm only 90 people away from my 1,000 subscriber goal. So if you haven't already subscribed, please be generous and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And then I'll see you. Oh, I kind of lost the ability to speak just now. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.